Little almost super one here, and I got another package of mail as you can see right here. So I'm just gonna open it up. So I'll say it. Alright. And this one's, I know what this one is, obviously. So we get inside this package is alright, Child's Play on Blu-ray. And this is like the Walmart exclusive coloring book series. And this is my first one of these that I have in my collection, which I'm glad. And yeah, I think we all know about the remake that's coming out with Mark Hamill as the Chucky. Sorry, used to name him as the Joker, but from Batman. But you know, I'm excited to see that. I think it might be good. I mean, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Just open it up. Break the seal. Alright, so yeah, we got this right here. Is this on the slip cover? I think you could take it off. I don't know. I really don't want to though. I really like that. So there's the spine, and there's the back. A jolting roller coaster ride, Los Angeles Times. And the movie is rated R, and it is 87 minutes, so it's not that long. It's from 1988. So let me open that up. And as you can see, you got this whole coloring look. These movie covers, see what they got. And yeah, the disc is right there if you so, there you go. So, without further ado, let's look at the coloring book. And that's The Hills Have Eyes, and there's Killer Clowns from Outer Space. And The Other Side of the Door, From Hell, 28 Days Later, Black Swan, Return of the Living Dead. They also have like Carrie and Young Frankenstein or Young Frankenstein. I think back here shows the rest. Yeah, it's we got ones like Joyride, Young Frankenstein, and the Poltergeist remake, which sucks. Carrie, The Fly, and Child's Play, obviously, which I have, and you got like all the names right here. So Jeepers Creepers. Which one's Jeepers Creepers? I like to have Jeepers Creepers. Where's Jeepers Creepers? Well, let's see what they got. So I think they have like all of them in there. You just like color them, which is cool. I mean, that's pretty freaking cool. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching, and bye.